Ethical and Social Issues in ICT. ICT Policy, 2015. The first IT policy was introduced in 2057 BS, which was related to IT education and some other activities. Ministry of Information and Communication, Government of Nepal introduced Second National Information and Communication Technology Policy in 2015 AD. In this chapter, we are going to discuss it. Background. Information and communication technologies are increasingly at the core of strategies aimed at securing the goals of sustainable development and stimulating economic growth in countries around the world. Among others, these technologies are shaping the way social interaction takes place in public. Aspirations premised around poverty reduction as an overarching goal. Electronic Transaction Act. Electronic Transaction Act deals with the issues that are related to cybercrime. This act also helps to make and implement new laws. In Nepal, the House of Representatives approved this act on December 4, 2063. At that time, the Ministry of Environment, Science, and Technology formulated the regulations. The new legislation has not only legalized all forms of electronic transactions and digital signatures but has also clearly suggested out ways to regulate various computer-based activities and punish cybercrime. Digital citizenship. Digital citizenship refers to the responsible use of technology by anyone who uses computers, the internet, and digital devices to engage with society on any level. As the rate of technological advancement continues to increase, the world as a whole is becoming more dependent on the internet for day-to-day activities like checking a bank account, purchasing a product, or simply keeping in touch with a friend. Good digital citizenship engages students and shows them how to connect with one another, empathize with each other, and create relationships through digital tools. Bad digital citizenship involves cyberbullying, irresponsible social media usage, and a general lack of knowledge about how to safely use the internet. The examples of digital citizenship are communicating with respect, respecting others' privacy, seeing things from another perspective, adding helpful information, supporting others by offering useful feedback, encouraging them, or sharing work they're proud of, etc. Digital footprint. A digital footprint is a track of data that you create while using the internet. It includes the websites that you visit, email that you send, uploading videos or digital images, and any other form of transmission of information. Publishing a blog and posting social media updates are other popular ways to expand your digital footprint. The status that you have an update and publish on Facebook or Twitter contributes to your digital footprint. The more you spend time on social networking websites, the larger your digital footprint will be. Even liking a page or a Facebook post adds to your digital footprint since the data is saved on Facebook's servers. Opportunities and threats in social media. The use of social media is increasing rapidly these days in our country. Most people are using social media mainly for communication and to exchanging information with each other. It is very easy to collect information from one corner of the world to another corner. Human life is being easier due to the use of social media. In general, social media refers to the websites and applications that are designed to allow people to share content quickly, efficiently, and in real time. All of the social media has the ability to share photos, opinions, events, etc. in real time has transformed the way we live and, also, the way we do business. These days, social media are an integral part of the marketing strategy of many business organizations. If we do not use social media in a proper way, it may create lots of threats and social problems. Social media has grown tremendously in the last few years. From 2006 AD onwards, the growth rate is unexpectedly very high. Especially Facebook and Twitter have grown much faster and captured millions of users in just a few years. Social media has some opportunities and threats which are listed below. Different platforms of social media. Facebook, Twitter, Google+, Instagram, Wikipedia, blogs, Flickr, LinkedIn groups.